The issue is where you are using this pricing. See, time and place are among the top important factors in pricing of any commodity, any service, any kind of commercial relation. Any commercial relation that you are establishing between two counterparties in a commercial transaction, you must consider time. Maybe it is a commercial transaction of trade, commercial transaction of rental, or even for that matter, the transaction of partnership. For example, if a person comes for a partnership for a shorter period and with the same amount for example, 10 million Pakistani rupees for 1 year, and the other person is bringing 10 million Pakistani rupees for example, 5 years or 10 years, the person who is bringing this investment and investing in a business, the person who is bringing the investment the same amount for shorter period and the person who is bringing for longer period, there must be a difference of profit sharing ratio. Obviously, if a person who is bringing 1 million or 10 million Pakistani rupee for 1 year, if he is ready to share the profit in a 60 and 40 ratio, the person who is bringing for 5 years, he can ask for 50% of sharing ratio. Why this is difference? This is because of the time. So it means time can be considered in pricing of any commodity. So the time will be considered in the pricing of commodities. The place is considered in pricing of the commodity. One of the big difference between the common price of the commodities which is available in common place and which is available in 5-star hotel or for that matter in airplane while flying, there is a difference between pricing. One of the factor of the difference in the pricing is the place, because if you are visiting a 5-star hotel or for that matter very costly place, the charging of the extra price over the common price of any commodity is logical. Similar is the case in time value. Time value is one of the factor which is considered in Islam as well. Now coming to the point, time value of money. What do you mean by this? When we say time value of money, what do we mean by this phrase? Do we mean the value of money with regards to time, or do we mean the value of time with regards to money? Obviously, the first phrase, the value of money with regards to time. So what do we mean by this statement, time value of money? That we are going to price the money with regards to time. And this is only possible in two scenarios. One, if you are lending, because you are lending and you are giving some money. And the second, if you are giving money for the partnership purposes. But when you give for partnership purposes, obviously you share profit and loss both. In that case, if you consider time for pricing, I mean profit sharing ratio or the return on equity, so this is fine. But if you want to charge something on lending of money on the basis of pricing of money, whether it is the pricing of with regards to the inflation, which is logical in especially and current scenario of current regime of paper currency, and generally the inflation is monetary inflation. So whether you are allowed to charge any kind of pricing for the time that you give in lending contract, in a loan contract. So this is where Islam and all the Abrahamic religion, not Islam, Judaism and Christianity, all these three Abrahamic religion, they prohibit charging interest. And the interest is in a lending contract. There are two types of interest, but we are talking about the interest which is common in financial sector. So generally this is a charging extra amount in cases of lending money. So the lending of money is primarily a non-commercial activity in Islam. What do we mean by non-commercial activity? We mean that the person who is lending money cannot charge any amount on this. If he want to lend some money, he must be non-commercial transaction. Or if he want to take some benefit out of it, the transaction must be of commercial nature. I mean, if the investor want to give some money and want to get return, obviously this is permissible. But in that case, he should enter in a different contract. So this is a very important difference, and which is a very logical difference, that if you want to get some return, I mean, if your contribution in a business or in your contribution to a person is on remunerative basis, you want to get some remuneration on whatever you provide, so in that case you cannot consider any return on this amount if you are lending. And there is another very important point. According to the Sharia classical perspective, even if you do not consider time in pricing of interest, but you charge conditional return, it is not permissible.